how your parents think about this relationship. My parents was worried about like his fraud or something.
I'm a fraud.
Yeah, my mom told me. Could you introduce your outfit?
A Porsche jacket. Next, jumper. Tommy Hilfiger shoes.
The coat is from Bershka. My shoes is a Korean brand. Bags from Gucci. The accessories from Gucci.
My name is Tom. I'm from the UK.
I'm Zoe. I'm from China. So what are you guys doing here?
We actually just went shopping at Pop Mart here.
Wow, show me.
Sure. Is the Skull Panda Ink Plum Blossom series. 体检魔美.
You can speak Chinese?
A little bit. 我在北京学了2年中文.
Wow. So you guys buy the whole set?
No, we just bought a couple of sets, and this one is more Christmassy.
I think the Christmas scene is my favorite. I can just decorate it in my Christmas tree.
So for me personally, I like the moon. It lights up. Some of them are magnetic as well. This one inside, I can't feel anything too peculiar right now. Some of them have like horns or very obvious characteristics. You can feel the weight.
This brand have some special edition.
Oh yeah, it has a 1 out of 144 chance of getting this figurine called May. I guess that's what kind of makes opening like the Pop Mart products fun. You're hoping to get like the rare figurine.
So will you unbox your Pop Mart right now?
Sure, yeah. Alright, try and guess. Box and see what.
Maybe it's your favorite one.
Are you ready? Oh, it's actually the Valley. I actually like the aesthetic of this one. I just really like the hat.
I can't wait. You guess what's this?
I think it's the forest.
This is so cute. Oh my god, I like it. The forest. Oh wow, cute.
I saw her walk into the classroom. I was like, damn. It's like, damn.